Welcome to our channel. Looking for the best budget DJ speakers for 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, great sound doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, we'll explore top DJ speakers that deliver powerful performance at an affordable price. From deep bass to crystal clear highs, these picks will keep your crowd moving. Stay tuned to find the perfect speakers for your setup. Links in the description. Let's get started. Number 6. The Alto Professional TS408 is an excellent budget-friendly PA speaker that delivers powerful performance without compromising quality. With 2000 watt of true sonic power, an 8-inch low-frequency driver, and a 1.4-inch high-frequency driver, this speaker ensures clear, high-impact sound for DJs, bands, and event organizers. One of its standout features is the Alto app compatibility, allowing users to adjust Bluetooth levels, speaker use modes, sub-size selection, and custom EQ remotely via iOS or Android devices. The integrated 3-channel mixer provides versatility with dual XLR 1-4-inch combo inputs, mic line switches, and independent level controls, making it easy to connect various audio sources. The TS408 also excels in wireless connectivity, supporting Bluetooth streaming and true stereo wireless speaker linking, eliminating the need for extra cables. With 4 speaker use modes, users can customize the sound for different applications, whether for mobile DJs, band practice, conferences, or public speaking events. While it may not match premium brands like QSC or EV in build quality, it offers exceptional value for its price. Some users wish it had handles on top for easier transport, but overall, it's a reliable, great-sounding speaker, perfect for various professional and personal audio needs. Number 5. The Gemini Sound GSP-2200 is a powerful 2200-watt active PA speaker designed for DJs, music hobbyists, and party enthusiasts who want loud, impactful sound without breaking the bank. Featuring a 15-inch woofer, it delivers deep bass and crisp highs, making it perfect for garage parties, live performances, and outdoor events. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can wirelessly stream music from your phone, laptop, or tablet, eliminating the need for messy cables. The built-in media player supports USB, SD cards, and FM radio, giving you multiple ways to enjoy your favorite tracks. Plus, the integrated 3-channel mixer with XLR, 1/4-inch, and RCA inputs allows precise sound control. Its rugged portable design includes rolling wheels and an extendable trolley handle, making it easy to transport. While it's not audiophile-grade clarity, users love its booming volume, strong bass, and room-shaking power perfect for parties and DJ gigs. For $300, it's a fantastic deal, offering solid performance and durability. If you want a loud, bass-heavy speaker that delivers great value, this is a must-buy. Number 4. The PRORECK Party 12 is an impressive 12-inch powered PA speaker system that delivers 1000 watts of peak power, making it perfect for DJs, events, or personal use. With a 12 woofer and compression driver, it offers clear, loud sound with solid bass and crisp highs. The speaker system comes with a Bluetooth function, allowing easy connection to your smartphone or tablet, along with USB drive and SD card reader support for versatile playback options. The 150-watt RMS power and digital LCD screen provide full control over the sound with master volume, mic, line, and bass treble controls, ensuring optimal audio for different needs. The speaker also includes XLR and 1/4-inch mic inputs, making it adaptable for both balanced and unbalanced microphones. For portability, the PRORECK Party 12 features wheels for easy mobility, a speaker stand, and a remote control for convenient operation. Whether you're using it for a wedding reception, backyard gatherings, or workshops, users love its reliable performance and ease of use. At this price point, it's a great value for anyone in need of a powerful and versatile speaker system. Number 3. The Rockville 2 RSG-1212. 3-way passive DJ Pro Audio PA speakers offer exceptional sound and power for any DJ or live sound application. With a 1000 watt peak power, 500 watts RMS, these speakers deliver impressive audio performance, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor events. The 12-inch Pro Audio woofer and 3 3-inch piezo bullet tweeters produce a well-balanced sound with solid bass, crisp highs, and clear mids, while the high-efficiency piezo compression horn enhances clarity. These passive speakers are designed for durability and portability, featuring rubber isolating feet and a sturdy MDF construction. The 8-ohm impedance and speak-on and 1.4 connections make them compatible with various sound systems. The frequency response of 45 Hz to 22 kHz ensures full range sound, with a 99 dB sensitivity that makes them efficient and easy to drive. Customers appreciate their robust build quality, strong bass, and overall sound clarity. As one user mentions, the speakers are larger than expected, and they've been consistently pleased with Rockville products. If you need powerful, reliable speakers, the RSG12 is a great choice at an affordable price. Number 2. The JBL Partybox 310 is a fantastic portable party speaker that delivers powerful, clear sound with 240 watts of JBL Pro audio. Whether you're hosting a party indoors or outdoors, this speaker fills the space with immersive sound and bass-heavy beats. The standout feature is its dynamic light show, which syncs perfectly with the music, creating a dazzling visual experience with pulsing and strobing effects that add energy to any event. With 18 hours of battery life, the Partybox 310 ensures the music never stops, making it ideal for long parties or outdoor gatherings. It also has IPX4 splash-proof protection, meaning you can keep the fun going rain or shine. The Partybox app allows you to control the light show, track changes, and even karaoke features directly from your phone, offering convenience and fun. At a great price point, the JBL Partybox 310 is a perfect blend of sound quality, portability, and excitement for any celebration. Whether it's a backyard party, a beach outing, or just a casual hangout, this speaker brings the energy and the beats. Highly recommended. Number 1. The JBL Professional Eon 715 is a top-tier powered PA speaker designed for superior sound and versatility. With 1,300 watts of Class D amplification, it delivers clean, powerful audio perfect for live performances, DJ events, lectures, and more. The 15-inch woofer and advanced waveguide technology ensure uniform coverage and a balanced, clear sound across the entire listening area, while the horn and compression driver provide a smooth, off-axis sound. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity offers convenient wireless streaming, making it ideal for DJs and performers who want to eliminate cables. Additionally, the JBL Pro Connect app allows you to control key features like EQ, feedback suppression, and delay directly from your phone, adding ease and flexibility to your setup. Lightweight and portable, the Eon 715 is part of JBL's Eon 700 series, which is designed for easy mobility and setup. Whether used as a main PA speaker, stage monitor, or floor monitor, the Eon 715 delivers consistent, professional sound in any venue. Overall, it's an excellent investment for musicians and sound professionals looking for reliable, high-quality performance. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best budget DJ speakers for 2025. We hope this video helped you find the perfect speakers for your setup without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great gear reviews and tips. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.